Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll discuss the SAP SD enterprise structure. Okay, let's say whenever you joined a new project, let's say a rollout project or greenfield implementation project, the when the project started. Okay, so basically what you need to do, you need to understand the complete business process from client side. Okay, what is actual business, let's say first you should try in how many countries they are doing their business. Okay, whether it is domestic or export also. Okay, okay, what are the various products they are selling. Okay, uh, like to whom they are selling. So these three things you should understand properly. Okay, let me just take an example of the very big company in India is Tata. This will work best. Okay, so let's say we are going with Tata. Okay, now the Tata have multiple business model. Okay, let's say there is a Tata Motors. Okay, another there is Tata Steel. I'm just writing steel. And Tata is also into FMCG market, which is Tata Consumer kind of. Okay, so this is Tata Motors, this is Tata Steels, and this is Tata Consumer. Okay, so let's say you will not work at once in all three projects. Okay, initially, let's say you're working on the Tata Consumer. The Tata Consumer is already very big. Okay, so let's say we are considering this Tata Consumer. Now you got this project. Now what you will do? You will further analyze it. Okay, how? Let's see. See, first, like you will understand whether it is like in India also in domestic level or export level. How many level they are doing the business. The first thing, there are all the products. What product they are selling? Okay. Now where they are selling? Okay, kind of to whom the way of selling. You should understand all this thing. Okay, all this thing. Okay, let's have a look over here in this document. So, what I did, I've just created a structure. So, initially in SAP, we'll have the Tata. So, Tata, there will a group. Okay, this five people will define. There is a company code. Let's say for our business, we are just going into Tata Consumer. Okay, so we'll go with the Tata Consumer. Okay, five people will define this. Now, this sales organization, distribution channel, and division will be our part. Okay, let's have a look each and everything. So, what is company? Okay, like I have taken Tata Group. Suppose Tata Group is the main business group. So, in our business, we'll define the Tata group kind of. Now there is a next part which is company code in SAP. So in SAP, company code is a legal accounting entity. For example, Tata Consumer Product India is one of the company code where accounting, balance sheet, and profit loss will be managed. Okay. So company code is a legal entity. So this will be defined by five people. Okay. Now here the SD part will come in picture. So what is sales organization? So I have written sales organization is responsible for selling. Okay, Tata Consumer may have one sales organization for India, domestic, and okay, which is domestic, and another one for export sales. Okay, so for Tata Consumer we will have two sales organization. Okay, now Tata Consumer may sell the product in different markets. Okay, so in SAP what we'll do, we'll define two sales organization. One is domestic, one is export. Okay, based on the client requirement. Now, the next part is distribution channel. So, what is this? So, the Tata consumers can sell through different channels. So, when we see, first read this explanation. Distribution channel explains how the product reach the customer. Okay, for Tata consumer, product may be sold through distributor. Okay, modern trade like stores like supermarkets. Now we have Tata app also, something Tata new something, I don't know, but something like that. There is an app also Tata. There is some institutional customer also, like hotels and offices. So this distribution channel is like the way the company is selling the product, okay, to like the way of selling the product kind of. So we they will sell to wholesaler, distributor, this online, okay. So we need to understand. Example here we have distributor, dealers, modern trade, online e-commerce, institutional sales. Okay. Now we got to know in how many countries our business is there, to whom we are selling. Now we should know what we are selling. Okay. So this will come under the division. Division represent product category or product line. For Tata Consumer, let's say beverages, foods. Now Tata Water is there. Can be a different division. Okay. So let's see over here. Inside the beverages, tea, coffee, ready to drink products. Inside the food, it's very big. Salt, Tata Salt, pulses, the Tata, all this pulses will be there available. Spices is there, packaged food is there, water is there. So let's say we got to know we are in the beverage company selling the beverages, foods, okay, and some waters related products. Now we have understand the sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Okay. Now, the next important part will be sales area. Okay, so we need to map all this configuration in our system. We'll see later on. Okay, so let's take an example. We are selling beverages to distributor. Okay, so what we'll do in SAP, we'll combine all these things. Let's say whatever the code you have created in the sales organization, let's say 1,000. Then distribution channel you have taken 10. For division you have taken 1. So the sales area will become in this way. So we'll define this. Uh, let's say there might be a scenario. Let's say in distributor we have some government. Okay, government body, defense body. Okay, so Tata is selling the product. I'll see here. Okay, so let's say Tata, this Tata. Okay, there are some products which we sell to particular uh, bodies only. Fix. Let's say Tata. There is another part also. Tata is selling also defense product. Okay, it will not come in this picture, but I'm just taking example. There might be a scenario. Okay, let's say Tata is selling the defense, this defense product also, and it can be anything. Um, inside this Tata, we have a wholesaler, retailers, a distributor, all these things we have, and there is a government body also. So this product will always go to government body only. This will not go to this thing. Okay, wholesaler, retailer. Okay, it will not. It will just go to here. So based on this, what we need to do, we need to take the sales organization. Okay, sales org plus distribution channel, which is government, to whom we want to restrict, plus this the end product, which is we call it as a division. So we need to decide the end product to whom the company is selling. If you start from here, it will be easy for you to configure. Always start with division. Understand the end product, like your to whom you are selling. Okay. So we have seen the sales area example. I'll share this PDF. You can just have a look. Okay. Now the next part. Let me just zoom it. So we have seen the sales organization, distribution, division. There is a sales office also. Let's say in Mumbai also, from where actually the team will be sitting over there and the sales will be going on. There is a sales group also. Let's say inside the Mumbai there is east, west, north, south. So company can divide in this way also. Okay. Now when we look over here, let's say we have created a order. Let's say the customer wants any let's say beverages. Okay, so what we'll do, we will create a order. Okay, then this is order will come into sales part. Then there is a delivery. Okay, this will be handled kind of over here. The product. will be delivered from the shipping point inside the plant. There will be a plant where all the manufacturing, packing, picking, everything will be going on. Okay. Now, let's say we want a beverages. Okay. Customer place the order. We have created order. Now this information will go to this plant. Inside the plant, there will be a shipping point. From this shipping point, the product will be picked, packed, and it will be delivered to customer. Okay, once the delivery is created, there is another part which is invoice. Okay, okay. So till here, the shipping point will come in picture and the plant will come in picture. And inside the plant, there will be a storage location. So we want the finished good, uh, or any like anything. So this will be helpful over here. Here in this scenario, we are selling to the customer. There might be some scenario where we want to sell the raw materials kind of. So all depends. Okay. There is another part like warehouse. So warehouse, it's like to provide you more information on the store location where exactly the product is kept. This will look we'll see further. Okay. So this was the complete cycle of the enterprise structure. Okay, let me just go to PDF and see this. Okay. Now I have written the plant. Plant is a location from where the goods are manufactured, stored, or delivered. Okay. Plant is a location where goods are supplied. In let's say in this example, tea, coffee, salt, or packaged food can be supplied from different plant to or depots. Okay. So inside the plant, as I said, uh, stock can be divided into storage location. So storage location is a smaller stock location inside a plant. For example, finished goods, return stock, damaged stock. Okay, all these things will be there. Shipping point is responsible for dispatch. Warehouse is used for detailed warehouse activity. If warehouse is active, picking, packing, bin level stock, and warehouse movement can be managed at warehouse level. Okay, so that's all in today's session. In next session, we'll define all these entities. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.